Hello my friends, Espen. I'm out on a new hike, actually late at night, so this is a perfect test in low light with the Action 4. The Osmo Action 4 is the name. It's 8 o'clock in the evening, the sun is going down in an hour and it's raining a lot. So this is going to be a real challenge for this camera. But we're going to hike something called Stoltzekleiven, which is extremely steep hike, stone stairs all the way up. It's really popular. A lot of people are running there and training for different events. We're gonna walk up to the top and see how good the stabilization is. I did some tweaking with the camera after seeing some videos. I'm filming in 4x3 and I think that utilize the whole sensor on the Osmo Action 4. Of course I need to crop in post, but then you have some options to tweak the image like you want. And I also set the shutter to 1/200, that's max, so you don't get the big difference in shutter speed. I think that's gonna help with the stabilization, because we all know when the lighting condition isn't optimal for the camera, you get some jitter in the image, so maybe that will help. We just have to wait and see. And I'm filming in D-Log, 10-bit, supposed to be 4K 30, and normal rock steady. So let's keep going. Okay, then it begins. 40 minutes with brutal climb to the top. That's gonna be painful. It's 9 o'clock. But this is a perfect test for this Action camera. Just see how good it actually is. I don't expect the footage to be awesome, but this is a perfect test and a good test for me to see if I'm still in shape. Brutal. Halfway there. It's so steep. It's a long time since I climbed it. It's extremely steep. It is. I just hope that the footage from this camera looks okay, so you can get the feeling of being here. That's the most important, because it's amazing. It is. If you ever visit Bergen, you should walk up Stoltzekleiven. but you need to be in pretty decent form. But you can take it easy. The record up here is actually under 8 minutes. Just insane. I think my record up here is 15 minutes. That's a few years ago. Oh. I'm halfway up. Not far, not long to the top now. Yeah, I can really feel the burn in my legs. But it's not that this trail is so extremely long and hard. It's just like I said, all the stairs are different heights. So you get a real burn in your legs. So that's tough. It is. But we're getting close. And my camera fall. A little scratch on the lens cover. I think it's gonna be okay. It should be a solid camera. It's an action camera. So let's keep going. Yeah, we're getting really close. Just 50 meters left and we did it. Beautiful. Yeah, we did it.